Hello friends, this is Yolanda. I'm from Wuxi Super Laser Technology. I'm very glad to make a brief introduction of our company for you. We focus on research and production of laser welding products. As a Chinese manufacturer, we locate in Wuxi City, a beautiful city. Right now, let me show you around our company. Me, please. Area. This way, please. Please see, this is our dust-free plant. This production line is for our laser welding head. Now, we are enter the assemble plant. This production line is for wire feeder. Show you our office area. Sales department. Assistant department. Manager's office. HR office. Financial office. And the manager office. This is the research department.